Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the slow Xbox app game download speed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. This is a common issue, but don't worry. I've got you covered with some simple steps to improve your download speeds. Just follow along with me, and we'll get this fixed in no time. And now, let's get started. First, go to your taskbar and close the Xbox application by quitting it. After that, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then on the right side, click on Advanced Options. Next, click on Delivery Optimization. Here, enable the Allow Downloads from Other PCs option, and select the second option, Devices, on my local network, and the Internet. After that, click on Advanced Options. In this window, you can limit your bandwidth. Choose the percentage of measured bandwidth option, check both boxes, and set the limit to 100%. Finally, close the window, and you're all set. Now what you need to do is go to your Start menu or search bar and type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter on your keyboard. After that, right-click on your Ethernet card if you're using an Ethernet connection, or right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter if you're connected wirelessly. From the menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Double-click on it, and in the new window, select the option. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8 and 4.2.2.2. After that, click on the Advanced button, go to the DNS tab, and click Add. Add another DNS server, 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS. Click Add, then click OK and close the window. After that, go to your Start menu or search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, enter the command netsh interface TCP Global and press Enter. This will display an option called Receive Window Auto-Tuning Level, which is set to Disabled in my case. To fix this, you need to change it to Normal by typing the following command: netsh int tcp set global auto tuning equals normal. I'll provide all these commands in the video description for you. After entering the command, press Enter, and you can check by typing the first command again to verify if it's now set to normal. Finally, restart your PC and check if the problem has been resolved. If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, follow these additional steps. First, open CMD by right-clicking on Command Prompt and selecting Run as Administrator. Before proceeding, if you're using DSCP, you don't need to save your IP address. But if you're using a static IP, make sure to note down your IP address in a notepad for future reference. Next, type the following commands one by one: ipconfig/release, ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ipreset, and netsh winsock reset. After executing these commands, restart your PC, and this should resolve the issue. You can also try disabling your real-time protection to see if it resolves the issue. If it works, disable the real-time protection while you're downloading any games on Xbox. Once the download is complete, make sure to re-enable the protection from the same settings. This might help improve your download speed. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.